To become a skilled artist, you need to dedicate some time from your day to daily art practice. So today I'll share my recent sketchbook tour which I was practicing especially for this video, and some tips on how you can force yourself into a daily drawing habit. Hi dears, I'm Suma Babu, the artist behind Palette Life. My aim behind starting this channel is to inspire the ones who like art. So I share my art journey through this channel, and I also make videos on my other interests, crafting and gardening. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Once you decide to do a daily art practice, the very first thing you should do is gift yourself a nice sketchbook. A pen or a pencil will do for the practice. So this is my sketchbook. I just wanted to start some practices with black gel pen. I made random sketches, no particular topic or a theme. I made whatever comes in my mind. This is the method you as a beginner also should practice. Simply start sketching something really excites you. It could be anything. Let's talk about how one can start by finding time to draw every day. My tip would be connect your art activity just after something you do with your interest or you never miss, like your coffee time, your relaxing time, your TV time, or just after your prayer, or even before your bedtime, or it can be your first activity in the morning once you get up. After fixing your time, just start with doing it for 10 minutes in the beginning. Then gradually increase the duration. The point is to stick with the time every single day to never avoid drawing. You might have some days where you can't find the time because of an unforeseen circumstances. If that's the case, just move your practice time to the next day or tack on extra time throughout the week to make up for lost drawing hours. Next point which will haunt you is what to draw. To start with, copy the drawings which is available in search engines. Or you can draw the things available in front of you like a pencil, a pen, a teacup, fruits, vegetables, etc. Practice simple objects in the beginning. It could be even a ball or your pillow. Don't worry how it turns out. Everything is art. Just draw. You can try different perspective of same objects. See, I have practiced these books like that. If you like flowers, practice them. Experiment with all media. Sketchbooks are most popular among artists and they are super easy to carry with you. So choose the best sketchbook that works for your goal. Treat your sketchbook as your scrapbook for new ideas. Practice freely without limitations or judgment. Starting anywhere is better than never starting. 1 hour per day is a better commitment, but to build your skills to a professional level, you will need to increase your practice time. Whether this means less time in front of TV, turning down outings with friends, or sacrificing some other things. And keep this as your priority. Self-motivation and commitment will help you to get through early stages. But if you stick with it and get into the habit of drawing every single day, that I guarantee you will see improvements. I do hope that this video helped you, and I really hope you keep creating. I see you guys in the next one. Take good care of your health and happy painting.